In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in Freshsales. To begin, look at the left-hand sidebar in Freshsales and click on Campaigns. This is where you manage all of your marketing sends, including email campaigns. Once you are on the Campaigns page, go to the top right corner and click Create Campaigns. This opens a setup window where you choose the type of campaign you want to build. In the pop-up, select Email. Freshsales will then guide you into the email builder so you can design your message. Next, you will choose how to start your design. You can pick a ready-made template or create the email from scratch. Templates are helpful when you want a polished layout quickly, while starting from scratch gives you full control over the structure. If you are using a template, hover your mouse over the one you like and click Use Template. This takes you into the email editor. In the editor, you can customize the email using drag and drop content blocks from the right side panel. You will see options like titles, text, paragraphs, images, buttons, and more. Add the blocks you need, then click into each section to edit the wording, adjust formatting, and make sure your message is clear and consistent. A good tip here is to keep your layout simple and easy to scan, especially on mobile screens. When you are done editing the design, click Save and Next. Freshsales will show you a preview of your email campaign. Use this preview to double-check spacing, text readability, and any images or buttons you added. On this screen, update your sender details. Edit the from information, including the sender name and the sender email address, so recipients immediately recognize who the email is from. Next, select your recipients. Make sure you choose the correct list or segment so your message reaches the right audience. After that, enter your subject line and your pre-header. The subject should be specific and concise, and the pre-header should support the subject by adding a bit more context. Once everything looks correct, click Send Campaign to deliver your email. That covers everything you need to know.